In today's video, we're going to be looking at this new piece of software and it's called Conversion.ai. Now, I bought this about 3 weeks ago and I've been trialing and testing this. And honestly, this is without a doubt the best piece of software that I have purchased in probably the last 5 or 6 years. It is absolutely unbelievable and there's so many different options inside of this. Now, in terms of this, I mean, who is this AI conversion for? Anyone, basically anyone and everyone. This is for digital marketers. It's for bloggers, entrepreneurs, YouTubers, agency owners. It's just the features inside of here will genuinely blow you away. So inside of this review today, what I'm going to do is I'll walk you through inside of here and I'll show you exactly how this works. I'll also share with you the pricing, and then I've also got my own custom link whereby you can actually pick this up today for free for 5 days, and you can trial this and test this and play around with this. And at the end of the 5 days, if you want to go ahead and pick this up, you can do. And if you don't want to, then you're free to, move on to the next thing. But what is this Conversion.ai? Well, let me go over to, I'll quickly show you this. So I'll come over here and we'll go to Conversion.ai. So this is basically, you can see here, it's artificial intelligence, and you can use this to write proven high converting code. You can use this for, as I've mentioned, blogs, websites, YouTube videos. You can use this for your emails. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can use it for this. It's honestly incredible. And the content that this puts out, I've trialed and tested some of these AI softwares in the past and none of them come anywhere near this piece of content here. It's just awesome. So let me jump inside of this and I'll show you exactly how all of this works and how it all comes together. And I'll also drop a link to this blog article below for you. You can go through and have a look at this, and you can also check out the link on here whereby you can pick this up for free for 5 days. And there's also an additional link on here whereby you can get 10,000 additional credits as well. So it's pretty cool. And all of this comes with a 7-day money back guarantee. But enough of that, let's go inside of the software and I'll walk you through this and give you some examples of this because it's awesome. Okay, so this is inside of the software and it's really simple to follow along with. Now down here, the first part is you select a template to get started with, and you can see we've got lots of different templates on here. So let's just start with something really simple. Let's look at YouTube. So over here, you can see this software will create video topic ideas for you. You've then got video script outlines, you've got titles, you've got a script hook and an introduction, and it will also give you your video description for YouTube. It's pretty awesome. I've been using this here for some of my niche channels. So instead of me having to outsource, scripts, I just come over here and get this software to create everything for me. If you're a blogger, you can come over here, look, blog post topic ideas, blog post outline, putting a blog post into a paragraph. It will even do the title and meta descriptions for you. And if we come over here, we've got websites, so you can optimize people's websites or your own websites. We've got email templates, we've got e-commerce templates over here, then we've also got marketing frameworks. So look, this is perfect if you're into affiliate marketing, if you're a blogger, a website owner. It's genuinely good for anything. I've seen people over in the Facebook group using this for LinkedIn profiles, and there's also as well, what I've just remembered, you see this here, look, creative story. So this here, and this is currently in beta, so the release new templates into here all of the time. Since I've had this software, a number of different templates have been added into here. So you can go ahead and trial and test out, creative stories. If I come further down the page, look, we've got Instagram. What's that? Photo post caption. So you've got that. I've not even seen that one before. So there's Instagram in here. We've got ridiculous marketing ideas. Come further on the page here. We have got review responders. So, this here will write responses to public customer reviews for your websites and things. Come further on the page. So these are all of the templates. And you can see on here, we've also got coming soon. So on here, let me just give you some examples of this AI software and show you just how good this is. So let's just say we was thinking of maybe let's just go with a video for YouTube. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to type in some video topic ideas. And you can see I've been doing this for a few different ones. So look, all you do is you just go through and you put in what you want the content to come out for you. So over here, what topic should the video be about? And in this example, you can see I did this 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So what topic should it be about? So you just put something in here. So let's just go with something really random. So simple, I don't know, tips to, let's go with this. Simple tips to train a dog. and the keyword to rank for. So this is the keyword that we'd be wanting, hopefully our video to rank for over on YouTube. So train a dog. And then you see here, tone of voice. So currently it's on witty, but you can go ahead and put in any tone of voice that you like. I mean, over here on this blog article, I've included, let me just show you this. I've got more examples on here for you. So we've got funny, serious, amused, excited. I'm just going to grab one of these, but also inside of this software, there's a training area and it includes over 150 different tones of voice, and you can also play around with this, and you can see on here they've included like Optimus Prime, Tony Stark, Oprah, Tony Robbins, and many more. So this AI software is learning all of the time, so you can go ahead and play around with that. But let's just come in here. I'm going to go tone of voice and we'll type in excited. Then I scroll down here and you see it says number of outputs. So if I put 2, it's going to give me 2 different ones. Normally on default it's normally set to 5, but I always take this down to 2 or 3. So let's put it up to 3 and click on generate AI content, and watch how quickly this works. Dun dun dun, there we go. So let's just look at this one here. Look, how to teach a dog not to pull on the leash. All of these here. So let's just copy these, right? So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on here and I'm going to click on file and I'm going to go new. Let me just save that there. So let me come down. So these are, straight away, I've got some different ideas for videos that I could do over on YouTube. So you can go through and, pick out any of these. So let me just grab some of these. I'm going to come back over here and we'll put those down here. So that there is some video topic ideas. So let's just go back now to the templates and we'll go into video. So we've got some ideas. Now let's come up with a title for our video. So what is the video about? So let's just grab one of these. Let's just go with this one over here. So I'm going to copy that and let me just move this down a bit. Because so far from all of these could all be videos for YouTube. So what is the video about? Put that in there. So keyword to rank for here. So in this example, teach a dog not to pull on the leash. Or let's just go with dog training. Let's just go with this, for example. Dog training, tone of voice. Again, what do you want to go with? You can put in anything that you want. So for this one, again, I'm just going to go with, let's just grab one. Let's go up here. Let's go with excited again. Put this into here. Click on paste. And we'll click on generate AI content. And literally, normally, in about 15 to 20 seconds, look, it's done. So I've got this one here and this one here. Look, these are actual video titles. I mean, look at that for a title. This trick will dominate your dominate your hiking experiences with your pooch. Stop your dog from pulling with these amazing tips. I think you'll agree that's a pretty good video title. Dog hustle training. So let me just grab this. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over here. And I'm going to paste these all down here. So I'm going to type in video titles, paste them down there. So I've now got some ideas for different videos, and these are some of our video titles. So let's just scroll this down a little bit further. So dog hustle training, how to teach dog not to pull on a leash, dog walking tips. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to take this up to the top. I'm going to paste that into here. So this here now is my video title. It's looking good. Then let me just take this down a bit. So I've got my title. So let me go now over to my templates. I'm going to click on video. So I've got my title. Now I'm going to create a script hook and an introduction. So look, put your video title in here. So this here is our video title. And obviously I'm going to change this here to 2021. So let's take that. Let's copy that. Put that into here. Tone of voice, again, I'm just going to go with excited. Put this into here. And I'm going to click on generate AI content. So this is going to give you the opening for your video. It's going to give you the hook at the beginning of the video, and it will also give you an introduction that again you can use as part of the introduction into your video. I mean, look, it's just awesome. So let's just click on these. So this is the hook, introduction. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? I mean, I think you'll agree. This is very good. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to come down here. So I've got my title. I'm going to paste this into here. Look, I've got my hook. And then I've got an introduction. So, hi, my name is Mark. In this video, I'm introduction. Hey, So that's that bit done. Go back to content, go back to templates. I'm going to go to video, scroll down here. Now look, script outline. So I'm going to go ahead and get my script. So again, video, title or topic. So let's come back over here. Take this, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to put this into here. I'm going to paste that into there, and I'll leave it as witty this time, and we'll leave outputs at 2. Click on there. And then look, it's given us some more suggestions. So look, I'm going to take this here, I'm going to copy these, put these down here. Come further down, I'm going to copy these, and I'm going to put these down here. So far, if I was doing this for YouTube, I've got my video title, I've got my introduction, I've got the hook, and I've started now to create an outline for the actual video. And you can see on here, I mean, the content that this puts out, this isn't crap. This isn't like, you know, other pieces of AI software that I've seen and, you know, trialed and tested in the past. It all makes absolutely perfect sense, and it's really good. So let me go back over here into templates, click on video. So look, you can start to see how powerful this is. It even does your video description. So again, let me just show you this. I'm going to come in here and we'll do this last one. And copy this. I'm going to paste this into here. How to train a dog. And obviously with this one, it would be, you know, let's just go with, in fact, how to teach a dog not to pull on the leash. I'm going to copy this, I'm going to put this in there, and I'm going to click on Generate AI Content. And then this here is what you can put inside of your YouTube description, and you can see this helps the YouTube video that you're creating rank in the search engine. So look, come down here, look. I mean, look at this. Pulling on a leash is a common problem for dogs. We've got 4 easy tips. So you see this here as well. You can take this here. Sorry, you can take this here. Copy this. Come down here. Put this here. And look, that's more content that you can use inside of your video. Pretty awesome. So normally, in terms of, you know, YouTube, if you're outsourcing the work on YouTube, you'd have to pay someone to create a script for you. Well, you can do that over here inside of this software here. So let's just come back over to here. So we're in the templates. Now, you see, let's go into blog. So you see on here, we've got all similar things. But if I click on Content Improver, I mean, any of these templates that you go into, they're all pretty much straight away. So they're all pretty similar, and they all work in a pretty similar way. So over here in this blog post topic ideas, you can put in a company name, a description, your audience, tone of voice, and other bits. But if I come back over here and click on blog, and I'm going to click on Content Improver. So you can take an existing piece of content and rewrite it so it's more interesting and creative. And you can see I've done some over here. So let's just come in here. So let's just go ahead. I'm going to type in content. So let's go ahead and let's just grab this, for example. I'm going to copy this and put this into here. And I'm going to click on Generate AI Content. So it will go ahead and improve existing content. So again, it takes a second look. So now you can stop your dog walking on a leash. Grab all of this, copy this, go back over here, put this down here. See, it's a lot more. Look, it's tough when you're excited to go for a walk and your pup isn't quite as enthusiastic. There are plenty of things that could be causing this, but one of the most common is just poor leash technique. I mean, it's just, considering this is being done for me so quickly, this will help you, you know, create websites and blogs very fast. If you're, you know, if you have affiliate blogs or affiliate websites, you can go ahead and, you know, take existing content, you can improve it. You can also literally just start creating content around, you know, using this software over here. You've seen what it puts out for you. It's just absolutely awesome. You don't have to make too many edits to this. And yeah, I absolutely love this. So we've got some different examples here for you. I mean, look at this. We've got the oldest marketing framework in the world. We've got attention, interest, desire, and action. So if I click on here, look, company name. So let me just go on here. So company or a product name. So if I was maybe, looking for a product over on ClickBank, I could go ahead and put that in here. But let me go ahead and just type in how to train. Oh, sorry, come over here. I'm just going to go to how to teach your dog not to pull on a leash. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put this into here. Description. Come down here. I'm just going to grab this. I'm going to put this into here. And I'm going to click on Generate AI Content. Now here, it's going to give us our attention headline. It's going to give us the interest, desire, and action. Now look. Attention, have you ever felt like your dog is pulling on the leash? Interest, if so, it might be time to try a new technique. This article will teach you how to teach your pup not to pull on the leash. It's easy and can make walks more enjoyable for you both. Desire, and then we've also got the action, so click the link below, etc. But you see here, you can also take this and include this in a YouTube video. So I'll take all this as well, copy this, and I would include this inside of my YouTube video if I was wanting to use it for that. So you can use the frameworks for that as well. So we've got marketing frameworks and we've got lots more. Now let me share with you a couple more things as well about this piece of software, because let me go to here and I'll show you how I structure some content for here. So you can see on here I've actually got one saying YouTube outline. So you can see here I've got a title, I've got the hook, the intro, the script, outro, and basically a call to action. So basically I'm using this software to create full YouTube videos for me. I could then take this content here, I could put this onto my blog. So if I come back over here, there's many more things in here, but I just wanted to share a couple of things with you. So if I come down here, you see we've got optional output. So at this moment in time, they are, let me come over here so I'm telling you this correctly. The number of languages that this can create content for you is, output language, is currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Currently, it's up here, look, it can speak 11 different languages. So if if you wanted to use, Spanish or something, you just literally put it in here. In fact, let me just do this so you can see. So I'll click Spanish, take this down to 1, click on Generate AI Content. Spins for a second, and it's going to have this done for us. See? Done in Spanish. And you can go through and change this to, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, etc., etc. So that is a couple of the different things that you've got inside of these different templates. You've got the tone of voice, and you've also got the output language. So you go through all of these on here, and look, you can use this for, you can see on here, you can use this for Facebook ads, you can use it for Google ads, you can create perfect headlines, testimonials, and there's so much that you can use this piece of software for. Now let me share with you a couple more benefits about this. So if I come over here, I want to just show you this, because when I come into the Facebook group, when I first purchased this software, there was a challenge going on. But you see here, look, this was something that I used. So how to create a 2,200 word post in 15 minutes using the software. So if you're a blogger like me, creating a 2,000 word article, that would normally take me, probably on a good day, about 4 or 5 hours. It really would do. So I went through this here, and went through this tray here, and literally I just followed it along. Look, so step 1, tool 1, use the blog outline template. Next step, sentence expander. Next step, the framework. Next, etc. Now all of this here, I use that, and I actually created this blog article over here, and I'll show you it. It's pretty good, and I literally just went through the steps, copy and pasted it, and then put this over into my blog article. But I also want to show you something else inside of here. Come down here, look, we've got training. So we've got this one here. We've got how to publish a book in under 72 hours. So let me open that up in a new tab for you. Because this here, look, there's a video on here as well, but they were doing a challenge inside of the Facebook group for people to create these books and put them over onto Amazon, and people were literally creating the content inside of the software and putting them on Amazon, and 2 people were getting their books on the, in the top 10 of Amazon for their particular category. I mean, look at this one here, look, Amazon Copy Secrets. Come down here, So this whole training here will show you how you can create a full content, a full book, and publish it on Amazon or any other platform in under 72 hours using a mix of these different templates here. It walks you through all of this. If I come further down here, look, how to boost your website conversions. We've got use cases on here. We've also got community examples. So look, people sharing, their output from using the software. So look, long form marketing content. And we've got frameworks here. We've got a tweet generator, testimonial helper, and lots more. So there's lots of trainings in here and help for you. You simply click on any of these and look, it will show you the whole process. It's pretty cool. So if we go back over here into help and support, you've got lots more in here. You've got training on here, so you've got the basics, and you've also got an advanced training, and then there's tips and tricks. And you see over here like tone of voice. Click on here, it gives you more helpful tips down here. You can see, look, you can also input people or character's name into the tone of voice, and Jarvis will try to match it for you. So Jarvis is the AI software that we use in here. So it's pretty awesome. A couple more things on here. I mean, it's been around for, I think it's about 2.5 months now, and it's already got 2,500 reviews, and you can go ahead and check these out yourself. This is over on Trustpilot. You can click any of these and it'll take you over there, and there's lots more testimonials on here. You can see, look, blown away, actually freaking good, no fluff, real stuff, love this tool, I'm shocked, seriously. It's just absolutely awesome. So in terms of this, how much will it cost you? Well, currently you can get this for $29 a month. Now, this includes 20,000 words generated inside of the software. It says on here 28 templates, but it's actually over 30 now. It's mobile friendly. You can include up to 10 other people, so you can share, the link for this so people can come inside of the software and use this. You've got project folders, chat support, and an AI copywriters community. Now I've got a link, so inside of this blog article here, scroll down here, you can see here, if you click this link here, you'll also get an additional 10,000 extra credits using the link on this blog article here. So if you want to go ahead and check this out, you can do, and you get the 10,000 links. So it's $29 a month. If you go over 20,000 words in a month, you can see here you can either upgrade to a higher plan, or you can add an additional 5,000 extra words for just $10. And then you've got some more examples here. And then finally, come further on the page here. Obviously, I've mentioned it comes with a 7-day money-back guarantee, but you can even go ahead, and I've got my own custom link again for this, where you can trial this for 5 days and go ahead and, try it out, see if you like it, and go through the whole process. You've got a little video on here walking you through, some highlights of this. But if you scroll down here, let me show you this. Come on a bit further on the page. Oh, it's here, sorry, yeah, you can try it for 5 days absolutely free. So if you're interested in this, go ahead and take the 5-day trial and go through and play around with this, because once you start playing around with this, you're not going to use anything else. It's absolutely awesome. So if you're a blogger, you can use this to save time and money. Normally for me over on my blog here, it's not taught at school, I would outsource some of these articles, and I would pay anywhere from like $60 up to $100 for an article. And using this software here, I mean, this is the article I was talking about earlier, where I used the templates inside of Conversion.ai, and I created this article here. It's over 2,000 words long. You can see on here all of the content in here, but it all come from using this piece of software here. It's just genuinely awesome. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did give the video a like, I'd really appreciate that. I will drop a link below for you to this blog article. All of the links are included inside of here. Just click on these and it will take you over there. But overall, Conversion.ai, do I use it? Yes. And do I recommend it? 100%. Is it easy to use? Yeah, it really is. So look, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.